Today we'll be discussing about an interesting API on YouTube known as YouTube Data API. So this is an important API which you can run on your own website, and by the help of which you can get some additional informations and feeds regarding your YouTubes into your website, such as the playlists, any kind of watch later, any kind of related videos and things like that. So come, let us find out how this works. So go into the Google Cloud section under and create a project. So you can go into the enabled APIs and services, click on enabled APIs, just click on YouTube Data API version 3, just enable the API, and after that you can just utilize the Python code and run this particular segment. This is something which you can easily find once you have enabled the API. So this all comes by default. Now with the help of these all codes you can get some information. So like this is one of the Python code which can fetch the YouTube data for the YouTube videos, like the page infos, the total results, the how many, like what are the types of the videos and so on. So this is a very short technique which can help if someone is planning to embed YouTube on their website for any essential user metrics or user functionality. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.